Meaning of high tension.
High tension.
High tension.
High tension.
High tension. High tension is a term used to describe a state of tense or stressed energy. It can refer to both physical and emotional stress. In a physical context, high tension refers to the level of electrical charge present in an electrical system, such as power lines or machinery. Emotionally, high tension can describe a state of anxiety or nervousness in a person or group. The term suggests a state of heightened activity or intensity, often indicating a potentially volatile situation. Overall, high tension implies an underlying sense of unease or pressure.